Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you an example of what you can do with this tool. As you can see, I already have it open. You can open it through window and there it is. Another thing you can see is I have some sound files in here. That's what we're going to be using, so we're going to be changing. So let's get right into it. Let's create a new one, a new project. I'm going to call it LoadInBackground because that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to change all the audio files that aren't set to LoadInBackground and set them like that. So first thing, you see the window, and we're gonna add an asset database, and we're gonna find all the assets. Let's hook it up, and we want an audio clip. We want to find all the audio clips, and if you can just run it now, you see we have 59 hidden items. As you can see there, those are the GUIDs. And then the next step, no, it's actually not here. We actually want a for each loop. So we hook that one up, loop through all the items, and then in the asset database, we want to convert the GUID to an asset path. Like every GUID, we want to convert it, and we hook them up here. Then we want to get the asset importer. That is actually at that path. You can see here the result, which is the path. We want that. And then we actually want to, because we're talking with audio files, so we have the audio importer. We want to first get the LoadInBackground. We want to see if that value is already set to true or not. And if it's not, then we want to change it. So audio importer, set LoadInBackground, and hook it up. We want to set it to true. And then one last thing that we shouldn't forget is we want to save and re-import, because the reason we're checking if LoadInBackground is already set or not is because otherwise you're going to go over all the files that are already set like that, and it's still going to set them. And if you have big audio files, it's going to take a long time. So as you can see now, well, let's just give it a run. See, it's like kind of like slowing down every once in a while because it's probably having a big audio file. It has to re-import them, and you can see in the get out path, which is a bit like buggy here. You can see it's changing the asset path, and this is a big file, so you see it takes considerably long. And those were a couple of small files. And that's why we do the check, because if it's not already if it's already set, that would just cost more time. All right, and it's done, and that's how you do something as simple as that.